Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to wrap text in Excel. So there are two methods. I will go one by one. So what is wrapping? That means like I want to write some text in this cell. Like I'm writing how to wrap text in Excel. And now you can see this text along with this cell has also stretched to cell B and C. Like it is lengthy, so it is stretched in B and C also. And if I want to write anything in B, like say there are two methods. Now you can see like this cell is not fully visible, like whatever written in this cell is not fully visible, and as the write up in B also is lengthy, the text is lengthy in B cell also, it has stretched to C and D. Now I don't want to see like this. I want the whole text of any particular cell to be shown in that particular cell only, and it shouldn't be stretched to other cells. So that is wrapping. So for this case, what I will do, the first option is like select this cell, go to home tab, and here you can find this wrap text option. So this is method number one. Now if you click on this, you can see this write up is wrapped. This text is wrapped into one single cell and it is not stretched to B, C, D or any downward rows. Similarly, if I want to wrap this text also, like whatever present in this cell, so I will method number 2, because method number 1 I have shown here, and method number 2 what I will use, I will right click on this, I will go to format cells options, and here in the alignment tab, that is the second tab in this window, you have text control. Just under this you will have wrap text. Click on that, check this option and click on OK. So you can see it is also wrapped. So by any of these two of a method, you can easily wrap the text in any particular cell. Now moving on to another example, like you are familiar with this table because I have used this table in several videos, and so I want to have a heading of this table in this cell, like whatever present in this table I want to give a heading. So I will write like region wise data. So now you can see it is already wrapped. First I will unwrap this to make you understand. And so now you can see like this text is stretched to cell B, but I want this text to be visible in this cell only. So what I will do, I will go for home and then wrap text, and you can see this text is wrapped. Now if I want to unwrap, I will again click on this. So now it is unwrapped. So this is method number 1. Method number 2 is I will right click on this cell, go to format cells, and window will come up. In the alignment tab, select this option wrap text and then click on OK. Now you can see the text is wrapped. So you can use any one of this method to wrap the text. So that's how we can easily wrap or unwrap text in Excel. So hope you have understood. That's it for today. Thank you.